The HYPOAI Bounce House 146-inch model is a versatile and exciting gift for kids aged 3 to 12, combining a variety of play areas including a climbing wall, trampoline area, fun slides, and a splash pool for endless entertainment. Constructed with safety in mind, the Bounce House is made from thick, puncture-resistant 840D PVC fabric and meets the ASTMF963 Standard, ensuring a durable and long-lasting product. With a powerful 370-watt blower, this bounce house can be quickly inflated and deflated in less than 2 minutes, making it an ideal choice for portable amusement in yards, parks, lawns, basements, and garages. The package includes sweet accessories like an air blower, a carrying bag for easy storage and transportation, product stakes, blower stakes, and patch kits for easy maintenance. The HYPOAI Bounce House offers endless fun for kids, making it a great gift for any occasion, and is loved by children for its unique design and brightly colored shapes. With a customer satisfaction-oriented approach, HYPOAI offers a 1.5-year warranty covering manufacturing defects and provides experienced customer service to help with any product-related issues.